Before going out, my hair condition is always like this. Product infused with walnut and methi. Seems interesting. I guess I'm gonna order it and see how it works for myself. So basically this kit is a serious multitasker because it encompasses a strong Ayurvedic blend of fenugreek and walnut which help to nourish and moisturize your hair and scalp, and it also has a number of micronutrients. Usage of this kit step by step helps you tame your frizzy hair, add shine and make your hair healthy. Now I don't have to worry about my hair because Manestream is taking care of it all. Manestream Hair Care Solutions has tapped into the home ingredient methi dana for its unlimited benefits. So why don't you give it a try and let the magic of Manestream methi show on your hair?